Welcome to the Powermesh PowerPoint installation video. In just a few minutes, you'll see just how quick and simple setup is. Warning, this product must only be installed by a licensed electrician to Australian wiring standards. Incorrect installation could result in serious injury or death. In this video, we'll show you how to install the PowerPoint, pair all devices with Zimi, and then we'll take you through some of the great features. Feel free to pause this video at any time if needed. Okay, let's get into it. Make sure the power is off. You install this product exactly as you would a normal PowerPoint, so either remove the existing one or set up for a new one. Finish installing the PowerPoint and make sure to insert the safety plugs. Snap on the preferred faceplate and you're done. Now finish the rest of your electrical installation and then we can continue. When the power is on, the Powermesh logo should be blue, showing it's ready to pair. It will also work as a normal PowerPoint with a simple push-on, push-off switch. Right, let's get that PowerPoint paired with Zimi. For this, I'll hand you over to my better half.
No problem, I can help you with this. First, download Zimi from your favourite app store. Next, create an account if you don't already have one, then continue to log in. Welcome to Zimi. Let's start by clicking on Powermesh to create a new network. Let's name it My Home or whatever you'd like. Zimi will automatically start searching for new devices. Hold your phone near the PowerPoint. This may take up to 30 seconds. If you're having problems, make sure your phone software is up to date and your Bluetooth is on. Found it! The logo is pulsing and it's appeared on the screen. Let's continue. To name each switch, or leave as is. Now, choose a room, or create your own. Great. Your device has been added and the Powermesh logo has turned white. Now click the plus to repeat the process to add more Powermesh devices. Nice work! You've finished so quickly. Okay, let's look at some of the features in Zimi. Start with the control page, where you can simply turn PowerPoints off and on with the touch of your finger. To control things in another room, just touch the room and choose one. Now, let's set up an automatic schedule here for the coffee machine. Let's turn on at 7:45 a.m. every day so it's ready in the morning, and then turn off at 10 a.m. just in case someone forgets to turn it off. Voila! That's how easy it is to set up automatic schedules. Zimi also lets you see how much power that coffee machine is using. Select Energy Use. Then enter your electricity price. You can switch between the amount of power being used and the actual cost in dollars and cents. The last screen in Zimi is the device settings. Choose one to configure its settings. There's a range of really useful settings here, such as turning on energy alerts, renaming the switch, and updating the firmware if needed. Well done! You've seen how easy it is to install a PowerPoint and how simple it is to control using Zimi. To watch more installation videos for other Powermesh products, to get help or learn more about Zimi, please visit www.zimi.life.